Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare different spicy, very tasty masala curd. This recipe is learned from my grandmother. It is very simple and easy to prepare and too tasty. Let's see how to prepare. Add 1 teaspoon of oil with pinch of mustard seeds. Fry it. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon black gram dal. Add 5 to 6 bird-size chili or green chili or red chili, whichever you want. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame. Fry it for a minute. Now we will grind coconut, half small cup of grated coconut or coconut pieces. Coconut is optional. Then add fried mixture. Add 4 to 5 garlic. Add coriander leaves 2 to 3 teaspoon. Grind it. Now masala is ready. Add this masala to curd. Add salt as it required. Now our masala curd is ready to serve. It is too tasty. You can serve it with chapati, parota and rice. Thank you for watching. Like and comment. Take care. Bye bye.